Welcome to What Will Brett Eat Next, Episode 2. Today we have a lineup for you, if you'll come over here, of an orange Tootsie Roll, a patriotic Tootsie Roll, a double bubble, Starburst, 3 of them, a Lifesaver, a Crackle Bar, a Tootsie, no, a Pop, Stick and all, Lipton, Tea-Bag. This is portable coffee right here. This is a coffee pack, instant coffee, Big Red, Airheads, and Rice Krispie treats.
Followed up by a pencil.
And a pencil, obviously a pencil. So Brett will be competing in a Rapper in All competition this upcoming spring. Is it, Brett?
It's about right.
So we're just training.
It's like a year.
Here's the man of the hour. That's Brett Swenson.
What's up? My name's Brett.
That is a real tie.
My name's Brett Swenson. I'm wearing a real tie tonight, and tonight I'm going to try to eat as many wrappers on the candy as I possibly can. I tried this the other night, and it went pretty well because I pooped it out, and I saw it in my poop. So I was pretty proud of myself, actually.
Successful experiment, you could say.
That happened about 3 nights ago, so tonight I'm just feeling that I can do it. You know, I've got quite the lineup today, and I think I'm just ready to go. All right. So
I think you're ready to go.
With the Tootsie Roll. What's that? I don't know one.
Tomorrow. That's Jonathan.
Tootsie Roll done.
Nothing. That's nothing to you right now. You better get determination though, bro. You got quite a bit to go.
Done. Double bubble.
There's double bubble gum in his mouth right now.
Hey, do I have to swallow this?
What?
It's gum.
Yeah. I don't think you're supposed to, but you definitely should.
Can I use the Country Time lemonade whenever I want?
What does that say? Yeah, that says Country Time lemonade.
Come back to me.
God.
Starburst.
Let me see what these looking. Give a few chews and then give it. See what we look.
Gone.
See. Get that pink one in there too right away. Let's see what those. Let's see the combo.
Gone.
Done with those. What was that, Brett?
That's Lifesaver.
Does that plastic taste good,
I
man?
feel like it might end my life, though, you know?
The life ender.
Mm-hmm.
Life de-saver. Gone.
Gone. We're gonna go with the Crackle Bar.
Crackle Bar in the mouth. I want to see what this one looks like.
I feel like it's gonna be raw, dude.
When you feel it looks real raunchy, let's see it. Oh man.
Oh, good in there?
Yeah. Make sure you open real wide when
Because
you
it tastes delicious.
Gone. See you later.
Dum Dum. What flavor
Dum
is it out
Dum.
here? Doesn't matter. I'm eating it.
See that stick? See that stick? See that stick? That's in his mouth.
No. Hold on.
Stick. This one's gonna be tough to get down. Let's see the determination, Brett. Come on.
Little Country Time lemonade to loosen up that stick.
Get it soggy. Get that stick soggy. Let's see what it looks like. Hold on, let's get that.
Keep that stick in there.
Let's get that in there.
I'm not. That's off the ground.
Okay.
Next, we got
Hold on.
a tea bag.
Is it gone?
No, it's not going yet.
Get the stick down, man.
Yeah.
Get the stick down.
Can I take it back out and like
Get the
fold
stick
that up?
down.
No?
Get the stick down.
Can't right now.
You can, dude. Country time. Country time, right there.
Country time. Let it soak in the country time.
Country time. That's a Lipton iced tea pack in his mouth right now.
What else is he eating? All that stuff right there?
Oh, you should see what I eat, Joanne. What did you like to know?
He ate like 8 things already.
Not good tea taste.
Oh.
Better
okay.
dry.
And in the package. What is that, Brett? Brett, tell everyone what that is.
That's a Lipton iced tea. Well, I mean, it's iced tea. It's
No,
tea.
what'd you just drink?
Oh, that's my Country Time lemonade. Available at Walmart.
Okay.
I taste so bad in the mouth. It's all those coffee singles.
Portable coffee.
You're on candy camera.
I can smell that, dude. I can smell that.
I can feel a string.
Let's see what it looks like. Wait, let me get a steady cam. Holy crap! Oh my god!
I feel so bad.
What is that though?
Oh, wait, that's so bad.
Oh my god, ew!
Oh
In there.
We're not gonna do coffee. I see it's bad now.
No! Come on! Come on, Brett! You gotta put the line up, man.
Still hung up on the popsicle stick.
I got, but there's string.
Country time.
There's string in there. I think there's string. I'm pretty sure there's a staple.
Let's see it.
I break that string.
Let's see it, man.
Swallow it down, dude. Swallow it down.
Just swallow it. Just drink it like a pill, man.
Slam it.
He's eating all this stuff with wrappers.
Get this kid some more country time. It's gone. It's gone. It's gone. See you later, iced tea packet.
Time for number 2, Big
Big
Red.
Red. Let's see what that. That's good, isn't it? That's really good.
Little Big Red does you?
Let's see it.
Make you mad.
Have you had problems with digestion yet?
Steady.
Get that coffee. Get that. Brett, you gotta get that coffee back in. Brett, you gotta overcome what's putting you down right now, and you gotta put the coffee. Get it in there with the Big Red. It won't taste like anything.
I'll do the coffee last.
Pencil's last already, though. Yeah, he's eating stuff.
Somebody
Yeah.
give me some more country time lemonade, please. Thank you. Make sure it's country time.
See it. Oh, that's nice. That's good.
I don't know.
How does that taste, Brett?
About 3.5 liters of Big
I don't know
Red.
what's in there, but it came off.
Oh, coffee grounds. I know, iced tea. Don't worry about it.
little iced tea with your country time.
Too much gum.
Yeah.
You know what I'm going to do with this one?
What?
I think I'm going to add an airhead.
Oh, an air hole
Thicken it
wrapper
up
and
a
all.
little bit.
What flavor is that, Brett? Watermelon or green
There's
apple?
so much Big Red in my mouth, I have no idea.
Like a fruity Big Red now, or what?
What did you just say now? Airhead.
Yeah, you just say airhead.
Swallow them before you chew more.
Wait, let's see
I
it.
really underestimated how tired my jaws would be this far in.
Let's see it. Let's see it, Brett. Oh, man.
What was that?
That's Starburst.
Starburst wrapper.
Oh my god.
Put this on there. He's going to the University of Milwaukee. Right there,
Bread,
baby.
man.
You want? Eat like a pill, Brett. Let's go.
Richard?
Not gonna eat those on. Shut up.
Sorry.
Shut up, Mitch.
Brett.
My sister, if I'm
Match!
No.
Mitch, shut up, Mitch.
Is he eating these?
Yeah.
Let's
No,
see.
I'm just doing that. I'm just spitting them out.
Let's see him, Brett. Oh, yeah.
Seriously?
No, jokingly.
Mom, child. He's eating. Look at this. Show her.
What?
He's eating wrappers and
No,
all.
spit it out. Brett, you were gonna choke.
You're in my video.
He already ate like 50 pieces.
Just wash down some country
Oh
time.
my god. You cannot eat.
Mom, can you please just go over there for a minute?
He's eating the
That's right, Chris. Let's see it. Let's see it. Let's see it. It's gone! I want to see a picture of it, though.
Oh my god.
Brett, block it out, Brett. Block it out. Come on, let's see it. Let's see what's in there. Yep, that's Rice Krispies, baby. Give this kid some country time in there.
Don't give him
Oh my god.
Don't put
You can see the video.
You tell him. You tell him, Cat.
We got adults, everything. We got adult. There's Carla. What do you think about this?
Packet? Yeah. Coffee. What is that thing? A sucker with the stick?
That's coffee.
You ate the stick too?
It's gone.
What are you eating that coffee?
You think it's instant tea with
Yeah.
Brett, seriously, are you thinking about what you're doing?
Yeah, I've done this before. This trip. Get it all out, no problem.
When you ate it
That's coffee in there. That's instant.
Okay.
Seriously.
That's instant coffee. Let's see it. I want to see it before you swallow it.
Instant coffee.
It smells so.
It's the end of it.
The smell is so pungent.
I got
I broke the seal.
Brett, seriously, no more after this. I mean it.
I mean it too.
No more, Jeremy.
What? What?
What'd you encourage this for?
What are you talking about? No more what? No more eating? Beautiful.
No pencil tonight. We're good.
Good job, Brett.
We're done.